Hi, my speech today is about U.S. Patent 636,272. The paperclip, which was introduced to us in 1899 by William D. Middlebrook, who not only invented the paperclip, he also invented the machine that produced the paperclip. Today, the paperclip comes in a variety of different shapes and colors. Some are metal, some are plastic, and some are colored. In 1958, the Lloyds Bank of London did a research that found that of 100,000 paper clips, only 20,000 of them were used for actually fastening paper together. So what happened to the other 80,000 paper clips? Today, we're going to look at 25 different uses for a paper clip besides the original reason of fastening paper together. So I'm sure right now you're scratching your head thinking of 1,000 little ways to bend this piece of metal besides putting paper and paper together. Of the survey, the top reason for a paper clip was used besides paper and paper together was for fixing broken bra straps and garter belts. 7,200 of the research paper clips were actually used for this, while 19% of the research paper clips were used as an ear cleaner and a toothpick. While my personal favorite, 17% was used for cleaning your nails. In fact, if we think about it, I'm sure the paper clip can be used for a variety of different reasons. How about a hairbreadth, a guitar pick, a lock pick, I know we've done that, a keychain holder, a bookmark, you just fasten that around the paper, so it's kind of holding paper together, a fish hook, a nice cheap thing to give a kid, and even a garbage bag tie. So you can also accessorize with paper clips. A ring, just bend it and twist it. You can do it in a bunch of fabulous ways. And also an earring. I know we all did this as a kid. So now let's think around the house. What else could we use a paper clip for? How about a picture hook? A ornament for the Christmas tree. I used to always do this. A needle, a cocktail stirrer, a pipe cleaner, and how about for cleaning in the little crevices in between the keyboards on your keypad or on your typewriter. Well, have you been counting? Because we're already at 21. So I'm going to make the next 4 very special. Do you know you can make a mini bow and arrow just like this? I'm going to show you how. You need 2 paper clips. One, you need to bend in the shape of a bow, hooking the 2 sides so you can very easily fasten the rubber band around. You can also use a larger paper clip so you can use a bigger arrow. You would then take a pen and take the other paper clip and straighten it out and fasten it. And this is going to be your arrow. So you put it just like this. You could terrorize your boss, that won't give you a raise. You can also make a compass with your paper clip. If you take some water and float a piece of paper on top of it, just like this, it'll point north. But you need to magnetize it first because it won't point north if not. So you need to first leave it overnight on a magnet. And you also can make decorations with paper clips, just like this lampshade. So all you do is buy a generic lampshade and poke holes in it just like this with the paper clips to show. You don't even need another piece of equipment with it. And you can coil the paper clips just like this. You can either buy colored ones already or you can go ahead and paint them. I recommend painting them because the colored ones a lot of times are wrapped in plastic and it would be harder for you to puncture holes and to manipulate the metal with. It's a very cheap way to decorate. And my personal favorite, because we're already at 25, is about how a paper clip can buy you a house. So Kyle McDonald started a website called oneredpaperclip.blogspot.com. It's still up and you can still check it. It was put together on July 12th, 2005, where he offered to trade 1 red paper clip for something much bigger and better. He promised to come and visit you wherever you were to complete the trade. He also continued his promise that he would continue the trades until he got a house or an island. So 14 trades later, Kyle got his house, which included a first trade was a fish-shaped pen, then a doorknob. Then later on, it was a red generator to match the red paperclip, of course. And then a trip to Yank, BC, and a date with Alice Cooper for the night, which was traded for a Kiss Globe that later was given a Hollywood Roll for. In his final trade, he was offered a house in Saskatchewan, Canada, which is now known as the Red Paperclip House. And it also has a giant red paperclip right in the lawn. So this just shows you that if with a little bit of imagination and enthusiasm, that you can look at ordinary objects such as a paperclip in many different ways. Whether it be from fixing a broken bra strap or cleaning your nails when you just have nothing else available, or even looking at it in a bigger picture and treating a house for it. Just always look at it in a different way and you never know what you're going to end up with.